Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out another video. So today I'm sharing with you guys a new press-on nail company. This company is called Veda Tinda and I'm really loving it. So I'm happy that they allowed me to share this with you all. So thank you so much Veda Tinda for sponsoring this video. So when you get your nails, you are going to get a little care package with it. It comes with everything you need to apply your nails. You have a nail file that has a buffer and a file on each side. It comes with the alcohol pack and it comes with all your nails, and you do get 2 of each size, so that's really helpful. And that's kind of the shape of the nails, so these are a little shorter. So they were kind enough to send me several different colors. I will link all the nails down below. I'll name the colors and give you the pricing so that you guys can check these out for yourselves. So when you get started, you're going to want to use the nail file to buff your nails. I buff each side and I also file down the top of my nail. You're going to open up the alcohol pack and you're going to wipe away any of that dust, any dirt, any oil, so that your nails are nice and clean and ready to be applied. Then for me, since my nail bed is more round and these are more square at the nail bed, I definitely filed the nail bed so that it would fit my nail perfectly. Then I went ahead and applied the brush on glue onto the nail and onto my own nail. I really like this glue because it has like a gel base. It's not liquidy, so it's not like sliding and squeezing out all over the place. I always set my glue under the UV light just to set it harder and stronger, and so that the nail glue dries faster. You can skip that step if you don't have a UV light. So then you're going to want to file all around the nail so that the nail has a very natural look while it's applied on your nail. And then just repeat that process for each of the nails. I decided to do a pretty spring pastel nail look, so I did use several of the different nail colors on each nail to give that really pretty like spring Easter egg type of look, and I really love the way it came out. Y'all, I really love how these came out. They're such a natural length. They're easy to work with, easy to apply. I decided to jazz them up a little bit with some rhinestones. I'm using some rhinestones and some rhinestone glue from Amazon. I'll link that down below as well. And I just jazzed them up a little bit. Nothing too crazy, but I definitely think it adds a cute little vibe to the nails, and you know, just gives it that cute look. I did add a top coat, but afterwards I realized, you know, these nails are so nice and glossy, you really do not need the top coat. I added the cuticle oil, and I'll link all those down below, as well as all of these nails and the nail colors down below as well. All in all, I'm very impressed with these nails. I love the length. I love the colors. I love the quality of the nails. They are so nice and so sturdy. I can't wait till they add more to the collection, different lengths, different colors. I'm definitely going to try more. If you guys have questions or I forgot to mention something, leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do one thing for me, share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a press-on nail lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.